This is review number 2. Here are some actual questions that involve actual identifying place value, which relates to what we did in review sheet number 1. So the first thing we want to do is to identify the place of each underlined digit. Okay, so here we look at the 2. Now, if you look back at review sheet number 1, you will notice it is in the, this is the ones column. So there's the ones column. There's the tens column. So the 2 is in the tens column. Then if we look back at review sheet 1, here's the 1/10th, the 100th, and here's the 1,000ths. So here's the thousands column. Okay, let's try number 11. I'm not going to be going in any particular order. So everyone try this on their own. I'll just pause for a minute. You should be doing the sheets as I take them up, either as a recording or live. Okay, so now the 5 is easy because it's exactly the same as this one. The 4 is in the ones column, and this is the tens column. Now for the 7, it's the 1/10th, 100th, 1,000ths. So this is the hundreds column. Not hundreds. You got to confuse. Remember, there's hundredths and there's hundreds, which is kind of hard to say. I don't know if you can hear it that well, but the 7 is the hundreds column. So this is the hundreds. And the 0 is in the hundredths column. There's a TH at the end, and there's no TH here. So just to make sure you know the difference between the two. Let's try number 2. Everyone, just give everyone a minute. We want to see the place value of the 3 and the 9. You should go back to review sheet number 1 to help you. Okay, so the 3 is the first decimal place, first place to the left of the decimal place, and it's the ones column. The 9 is the first decimal place to the right of the decimal place, the first place to the right, and that's the tenths column. Okay, now notice the difference that this is the tens, and the 9 is the tenths column. So do not confuse the two. This has a TH. The 3 is in the ones. Okay, could everyone try number 12? Okay, so the 7 is to the left, the first place to the left of the decimal place. So again, it is the ones column. The 7, the 5 is the 1/10th, and this is the 100th. So the hundredths column. Okay, well, so what I'd like you to try now is to try number 3, 13, 4, 14, 5, 15, 6, and 16. Now, after tomorrow or the next class, I will be posting the answers to these 8. If you are having difficulty, you can try the remaining questions, but I don't think there's a need for, we're not necessarily going to do all the questions. So for today, for this class, I'd like you to do number 3 to 16, and I will be posting the answers at a later time.